Queens, the home and natural habitat of the most interesting species in New York City, the health bird. The health birds travel in flocks and feed on the rare substance only known as health. These birds crave a mysterious health, as their intentions with it are unknown. All scientists and researchers know is that they want it and will go to extreme forces to get it. A wild web surfer is wandering the streets of Forest Hills as she searches for food, being hungry from its month-long hibernation on the internet. Scientists call this form of hibernation surfing the web. Would you look at that? The web surfer has found a health. A find like this is extraordinary for the web surfer, as it craves for health, just like every other species on this planet. The web surfer slowly creeps up to it, as touching the health in an abrupt way can startle health birds within a distance of 120 feet. Uh-oh, the web surfer was too loud and has alerted the health birds of his presence. There is very little hope for this poor web surfer now, as she is defenseless against them. Poor girl. The web surfer has great speed and has the ability to camouflage, but nothing can outrun the health bird's speed and agility. The health bird shoots a stick explosive ball of webbing from its mouth towards the web surfer. The substance is known by researchers as impact webs. The impact webs are extremely solid and can knock down anything that moves. The web surfer has been sadly knocked down and is about to be brutally murdered by the health birds. Health birds don't eat other species, as to them it is disrespectful, but are willing to kill to observe their dominance to other species as a punishment for touching what is known as their property. The health birds have successfully retrieved their health and shall retreat back to their nest to do unknown activities to the health. As if you try to enter the nest, you will never leave.
Hey guys, Anganoff here. I just want to thank all the 3,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Go subscribe to these guys: Crystal Gamer, Solid Snake 11, Super Swim Team 7, Mighty Sonic, and Uni for narrating this video. They all make great content. You should really check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching.